There's me and the banks of the boy drinking tenants and fishing for the springers. We're getting rid of the empty tins here so the bailiffs don't get us. We're just sinking them.
This is how we sink the tenants.
Put them in the water. Look at it bubble. It's bubbling.
Oh, it's like the Titanic when your boy goes down under the water.
It is.
You're here. There's nothing I fear.
Bye bye, my beloved friend.
It's emotional, that, Parry, isn't it?
It's emotional, but never fear. There is more tenants.
Get that bait into you.